See, I instantly smile when I talk about desserts. क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है? Please comment down in the comment section. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so hi, my name is Niharika. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, then hi and welcome to episode 4 of #NoFilterFridays. So, आपने मेरी जो फर्स्ट 3 वीडियोस थी #NoFilterFridays की, उससे बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दिया है. एंड दिस इवनिंग रूटीन वाला वीडियो क्रॉस 500 in like what 2 days. That is amazing. Thank you so much. पहले मैंने सोचा कि मैं थोड़ा सा व्लॉग करूंगी, कुछ कुकिंग करेंगे या कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करेंगे, बट माई आई इन्फेक्शन इज सो देयर, इट्स इरिटेट्स मी सो मच. तो मैंने सोचा कि बस बैठ के बात करते हैं. एंड डोंट यू वरी, बैठ के बात करना भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है, बिकॉज टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट माई top 3 in like every category, like my top 3 series, my top 3 people, my top 3 food items, my top 3 places, my everything. Like I have made an entire list और मैं उसके बारे में आपको बताऊंगी. एंड चाय वाय नाश्ता वाश्ता साथ में लेके बैठिए. एंड नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम, लेट्स बिगिन. Food item. I am the biggest fan of pav bhaji. I will choose पाव भाजी every time. तो पाव भाजी के साथ 1 चम्मच बटर एंड बटर में तले से सेके हुए पाव इज लाइक माई थिंग. सेकेंड वुड बी बैंगन का भरता. माई मॉम मेक्स एक्सेलेंट बैंगन का भरता. आई लव हर बैंगन का भरता. अलॉन्ग विथ द कांदा एंड काकड़ी का रायता. कांदा एंड काकड़ी इज लाइक व्हाट, ऑनियन एंड क्यूकम्बर का रायता. एंड and bajre ka rotla and all that and achar. So that is my favorite meal. I love bangan ka bharta. And third would be white pasta. I love white pasta. Although मुझे ऐसे सेंस में पता होता है, ऐसे थर्ड 6 सेंस में क्लिक होते रहता है कि हाँ इससे कैलोरीज बढ़ेगी. सोचो तुम ये खाने के बाद कुछ नहीं खाना है, यू डोंट हैव टू ईट एनीथिंग. अभी कल कुछ नहीं, कल सिर्फ खाकरा और चाय पे जिएंगे एंड ऑल दैट. बट whenever I see white pasta, I go mad. I have to have it. So yeah, that were top 3 food items: pav bhaji, बैंगन का भरता, and white pasta. Hindi web series. Okay. Top 3 will be, I think first would be Family Man. Family Man for sure, for Manoj Bajpayee, hands down. Second favorite web series Hindi would be The Scam 1992, हर्षद मेहता वाली सीरीज. Why? Because I am so happy that हमारे गुजराती एक्टर प्रतीक गांधी को they gave such a big chance. And also, although मुझे शेयर मार्केट के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है, I have no clue about share markets or anything, but still they have portrayed the Gujarati family, the family background, the share market wala thing so nicely, and all the actors were so amazing. So second would be Scam 1992. So third would be Mirzapur. Only it ranked third because of the maar dhaad and khoon kharaba that I don't like. Moving forward, English web series would be first would be Lucifer. I mean, what reasons do you want? You have Tom Ellis, right? Tom Ellis. So he is reason enough for you to watch Lucifer. So second would be Emily in Paris, and third would be Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. If you haven't seen it, it is amazing and you must see it. Okay, so my favorite section, American television series. I am a huge fan of American television series. They make amazing content. So if you know me at all, if you know me even 10-20%, you know that I am the biggest fan of Modern Family. So first series, I think like for 1 to 10 position में सिर्फ Modern Family आएगा. I can watch Modern Family over and over again. That would be my top 3: Modern Family, Suits, and The Blacklist. So that would be American television series. There are 3 cities that I totally love. First is Pune, the city in which I live in, because yeah, I was brought up over here. Second, the city in which I was born, that is Mumbai, because मेरी नानी का घर है वहाँ पे, and yeah, there are a lot of childhood memories in Mumbai. So second would be Mumbai, and third would be Mysore. Mysore, a city which gave me so much of experiences. A city that actually changed the person who I was, you know. जब मैं मैसूर गई थी for Infosys training and everything, I was a naive soft hearted, kind hearted girl जिसको कुछ नहीं पता था दुनिया के बारे में. And when I came back after 3 months from Mysore, I was a girl with a perspective. I was a girl who was a bit more independent, and I was a girl who was so confident in herself कि मुझे कहीं भी किसी भी कोने में डाल दो, I can survive. So Mysore has brought that change in me, and Mysore will always be a special city. Okay, next is my top 3 exercises. Like, I'll not tell you that my top 3 favorite exercises. I'd rather tell you 3 exercises I hate. First exercise that I completely hate is jump squats. I mean, सुनो, squats कर लेंगे हम जैसे तैसे. I will not do jump squats. No matter how many calories it burns, it's abuse. Squats. If you relate, please comment down in the comment section. I hate jump squats. Second exercise that I completely hate is donkey kicks. I hate donkey kicks. मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि उसका point क्या है. Also, it feels really stupid. And third and the final exercise would be burpees. Yeah, burpees has a special place for hit rate. I hate burpees as well. So yeah, nobody likes these 3 exercises. If you like these 3 exercises, either you are a fitness freak or you are mad. Next, top 3 fashion bloggers. Fashion/beauty bloggers. मैं सबको combine करके बता दूंगी because बहुत बड़ी हो जाएगी नहीं तो वीडियो. So fashion/beauty bloggers. First would be Shreya Jain. Because why? Because she is a fellow Jain, and the thing I love about her is although she has all the resources, although she has all the things, she does not have a team. Like वो सब कुछ खुद करती है. In a recent post she mentioned that वो shoot भी खुद करती है, edit भी खुद करती है, और सब concepts भी खुद सोच कर लाती है, and everything like a normal YouTuber or a normal small blogger, she does everything by herself. So उस एक पोस्ट से I related so much to her. And second would be Masoom Meenawala. If you don't know her, she is more active on Instagram. I love her because of her simplicity. Also उनके पास कितने सारे कपड़े हैं. Always whenever I watch her videos, I'm like, इतने सारे कपड़े, एक भी repeat नहीं है. वाह यार, उस तरह की लाइफ जीनी है. She is living the dream life of every Indian girl. So yeah, second would be Masoom Meenawala. So third would be Komal Pandey for sure. So it goes like Shreya Jain, Masoom Meenawala, and Komal Pandey. My top 3 fashion/beauty bloggers. Next is top 3 desserts. So first and foremost would be my mother. मेरी mother की हाथ का बना हुआ दूधी का हलवा. Nothing in this world can beat my mother's दूधी का हलवा. Second thing that I love is जलेबी. I love जलेबी. स्पेशली वो छोटी छोटी येलो वाली जो होती है, जो घी में ये की हुई होती है, उस पे वो होते हैं गुलाब के पेटल्स होते हैं. So yeah, that one I love केसर बासुंदी. So yeah, that would be 3. See, I instantly smile when I talk about desserts. क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है? Please comment down in the comment section. Okay, so with this we come to an end of this video. So yeah, I hope my eye infection gets better and I can shoot for you guys again. And मुझे post करना था actually No Filter Fridays के लिए, इसलिए I sat down and shot this video. I'm going to remove this makeup, put on eye drops and sleep again. So I just wanted to just make a video so that मेरा No Filter Fridays खाली ना जाए. And as promised, मैं आपके लिए कोई ना कोई No Filter Friday video लेकर ही आऊँ. So that's why I sat down and shot this video. Okay, so yeah, please, अगर आपने यहाँ तक video देख ही ली है, means you like me. And if you like me, how can you not subscribe to my channel? How can you not follow me on Instagram? Please go and follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel down below. Please, it would mean the world to me. And I will meet you all in the next video. Also, please मुझे बताइए कि आपको कौन से और videos चाहिए No Filter Fridays के लिए, और मैं वैसे videos बनाऊंगी definitely. So yeah, keep smiling.